Hello guys and welcome back to my channel welcome back to my channel Black Boys. But today I decided to do one thing. I decided that I will go strip mining today. Yep, strip mining. But before that, you have to wait. Oh, this is a smoker. But before we go strip mining, I need some iron. I need at least 6 iron. And then mostly I need only 6 iron. One for an iron pickaxe, and then the second one is just for nothing. And I need torches. So what I think to do best is that maybe we go caving before we go mining. I think that is a nice idea, to go caving before we go mining. How much iron? Oh, iron's done already. I think we should go caving before we mine. So I'll craft up some sticks. Okay, nice. And then I'm going to make a lot of torches. And at that time, maybe we can get all the oh wait, it's raining. Maybe we can get coal and stuff too, and maybe even no, I don't think if we find diamonds, I don't know what to do, what to expect, because you guys know I don't have an iron pickaxe, so how am I going to find diamonds? But it's okay. I don't even care if it's raining. I'm just gonna go. Ouch. Okay. Let's not go this way. Let's go this way. Okay, I've already found some iron. Okay, it's nice. Cool. Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, it's okay. Happens. Okay, nice. So now let's quickly snag all of this. And tell me if let's see if we can hit 25 million if we hit 25 trillion likes and 6 million subscribers, I'm going to do a face reveal. What about that, huh? That's called a real challenge. Technically an impossible one, because how am I going to get 1 trillion likes, and how am I going to get 6 million subscribers? That's something that you will never hit a goal. But it's okay. Well, we are here mostly for iron, but I'll take some coal later on too. But I forgot something, that I need a completely new pickaxe. Mine is already almost about to break. So what we could do is make option A, craft a crafting table with the wood I have, and then craft a brand new pickaxe, or just go up. I'm going to waste my pickaxe collecting all this coal for now, because I might need all of this coal for anything. So let's just quickly take all of this. And my pickaxe is broken. Excelente. Oh no. Okay, nice. Okay. So I just noticed. Oh my god, wait. Okay. I just think maybe we can end this video off. We'll end every video off with the same clip of wood cutting. I don't think I think it's boring. But don't worry, guys. For all my viewers that are already subscribed to my channel since such a long time, they already know I don't post only Minecraft. I post Free Fire, Call of Duty, yeah, all those games, Modern Warfare. No, not Modern Warfare. What? But I post a lot of games other than Minecraft. Let's put a torch over here. Other than Minecraft, I make a lot of games. Upload a lot of games. So it's so you don't have to see only Minecraft. But I want this to be an epic Minecraft journey. I think we have already got enough iron. 18 iron. That's already more than enough, because we need only some iron. I think I might fast forward this entire mining trip, or I might not, because I'm the worst at editing and you guys have to give me tips of how to edit. Yeah, okay, wait, let's make a iron pickaxe. wood and pickaxe. Then some and two stone tools, two stone pickaxes. That's done. Now let's load our inventory. Everything needed. We don't technically. Yeah, we need the iron pickaxe. I'll keep it in place of the beef. But it's okay. We need blocks. We need everything. Okay, nice. So we are set to go mining already. So let's go mining. You guys have to give me some tips for great like editing apps. I know about a few editing apps like KineMaster and stuff, but I don't know. But okay. How long am I recording for? 5 minutes. Wow. So I wasted 5 minutes into randomly just collecting iron. I wasted like 5 minutes or so. Wait. I got something wrong. So when you come from here, oh yeah, this block. Nice. Okay, let's put a torch over here so you guys can see. Now, nice. Now let's go down. Now let's continue. So yeah, if you guys want, I might make a whole I might make a full video about all my. So what I want you guys to tell me in the comments. I know there are going to be 0 comments in this. I don't know, man. I feel like there was going to be 0 comments because I'm not such a big YouTuber, but still, if you guys want, you guys can comment. If you guys want me to upload Call of Duty videos too or any game videos. I'm really trying to hit at least 1000 subscribers. When we hit 1000 subscribers and when it gets OP, I'm pretty sure then I might do something which is nice. I don't know. I might do something like, yeah, okay, whatever. So yeah, I might do something. I don't know what. I'm not going to do a giveaway. I don't know. I'm going to do a okay, wait. We're going to do a special shout out if we hit 1000 subscribers. I don't know when that's going to happen. I don't know. I feel like at the end of this year, at least we need to hit 1000 subscribers. Please. I promise you will not regret it. Yeah. And if you guys want, maybe what I can do is, if you guys didn't know, I don't know how. If you guys don't know, but if you guys didn't know, I have a Twitch channel. Yeah, so it's called ADBat_boy because that was the only good name there for obviously related to Bat Boy. So ADBat_boy is my Twitch name. No capital, no nothing. Just ADBat_boy. You don't have to write a underscore. You just have to write the sign. I'll tell you guys later on in the description or something like that. I'll probably leave a link to my Twitch in this video. I'll probably send a link. Like I'll post a link onto my Twitch. I'll probably do that. So you guys don't have to type everything out. You can just click on the link in the description. So yeah, without further ado, we're almost at level 12. I've heard that level 12 is the best for diamonds, and level 11 I thought it would be better because it's more deeper. But it turns out in level 11 it's rare to find diamonds, and in level 10 and so on it's kind of okay. But we fortunately we hit level 12, so that's now we're going to strip my, oh wow, it already broke. Now I'm going to do strip mining from far away, and I hope we find diamonds. I really have a feeling we'll find diamonds. I want to hit 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. It'll be epic if we hit 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. If we don't, I don't know what is going to happen. But hopefully we hit 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. When my which is gravel? Wait, is this gravel? Oh wow, it's okay. So if we hit 1000 subscribers at the end of this year, I'm gonna do something special. Anything. And not a face reveal at all. I don't think so. I'll do a face reveal. And if we get 1000 subscribers, so please get me to 1000 subscribers. And if you want, maybe. Oh wait! Oh no! I completely forgot. I need a iron pickaxe for this. I forgot. I forgot. If you guys want, I might upload. You guys still haven't told me if you guys want duo Minecraft. And on this world, like another partner joins. I won't tell who this is, but another partner joins. You still guys have still not told, so I don't think I will. I'll make this a solo series, but it's okay. I mean, you follow my Twitch and everything. Everything is given in the Discord chat. That's okay. Everything is given in the description. And also, if you guys want me, I think I should stop now. It's been too long. We have not found anything except redstone, cobblestone, iron. That's it. We have not found anything special. So yeah, we really not found anything special. For how long? 11 minutes. Wow. We've been recording for 11 minutes and we still haven't found anything. If we don't find anything, I might end up. Oh my god. I might end up doing this off camera. I might end up doing this live stream. Not live streaming. I might end up doing this off camera and then. No, I don't think I will do because there are a lot of people will say that, I faked everything and just gave myself diamond. Wait, I'm on level whatever. Okay, then everyone will say that, oh, I cheated, I just got diamond from game mode. Yeah, whatever, it's okay. Okay, if my torches run out, then I'm gonna end this video because this is getting too frustrating. I'm not finding any diamonds. It's really frustrating. I don't know what to do now. And so please subscribe, leave a like, and hit the share button, follow button, not follow button, but hit every button you can see except the dislike button. Leave the like button too. It would mean a lot. You guys don't know how much it means, It means a lot actually. And leave any video recommendations down below. Any mobile games or anything. Leave your recommendations down below in the comments. Or when I want to tell you guys something. So I live stream every Saturday, or I have a schedule of live streaming every Saturday or Sunday. Usually before I did it every day because I was free, but now I'm not free. So I do it every Saturday and every Sunday. So I'm gonna live stream every Saturday, every Sunday. So maybe then you guys can give me video recommendations over there. But my pickaxe just broke, so I think now we have to go. I won't obviously go all. Oh wait, we missed so much stuff. We missed so much iron, so much stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that. Okay, yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you get notified every time when I upload a video. And I think that'll be it for today. If you guys want more, obviously you know what to do. Till then, bye bye.